Welcome to Western SsangYong and LDV. This is 2016 SsangYong Actyon Sport 4-wheel drive. It's a 2-liter engine and with the towing capacity of 2.5 ton. Let's see the exterior of the vehicle. Let's see how it looks like from outside. It has got really good tires. Let's see if there are any scratches or any marks or anything. It's all nice and tidy. It's been maintained very properly. To the advantage, it has got roof racks, 3 roof racks and tinted windows, and it has got canopy as well. Let's go around the car slowly and see if we can find anything major or any scratches. It's very tidy from outside. Let's open the door and see how it looks like inside. Very well maintained car. Seats, look at those seats. They're very tidy. No, it's not torn or dust, nothing. It looks very clear. And this car has been used by a non-smoker. Let's turn on the car and see what it says on the dashboard. It has done 87,394 kilometers and it has got Philips reverse camera, and let's see how it works. It's a very clear video. That's good. We'll just put it back into the parking. And as it has done 87,394 kilometers, it is going for $26,990. And it doesn't matter where you're in the country, we can get this car for you. Just give us a call and see how we can plan it for you. Thank you. My name is Dinesh. I'm happy to see you and help you. Cheers.